This is a recipe video on how to make Polish kielbasa with peppers and onions with Nuwave Brio 7QT. First, select preset number 59. The Brio will automatically set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes. Press Start button and the Brio will start to preheat. During the preheat, mix the kielbasa with bell peppers and onions together and season with oil, salt, and pepper. After preheating, pull out the tray and place the kielbasa inside. Halfway through the cooking, the Brio will beep and display stir. Pull out the tray and stir the kielbasa thoroughly. Slide the base tray back inside, and the Brio will automatically resume cooking. When the countdown finishes, plate the kielbasa. The Polish kielbasa with peppers and onions is ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.